So my elite experience on day one, I wasn't really sure if I was going to go to the gym or not. I just told myself, you know what? If you've been thriving for so long, just feel it out and see what the difference is. And literally on day one, I went to the gym. I went straight to the gym. I felt so amazing. And I couldn't believe it because I was running. And I thought to myself, Thrive Elite has me running. I'm not a runner. It had me just like, I felt really good. I felt really motivated. I felt a lot stronger. I mean, whatever was in the formula with the changes in Elite, I felt a lot stronger. I put together a whole routine and I stuck to it. And I started seeing like a lot of changes within my body right away. Trust the process because things don't happen overnight. If it's taken you 30 years or plus to get to where you were, for you to not feel your best, it's gonna take a little bit of time for you to feel better. And trust that Thrive is gonna do that for you.